What's up guys, welcome back to Cheesy Techie video. So today, here is some undisclosed packaging. Underneath is the Shopee stickers and the addresses, all that kind of stuff. I wouldn't show you. This is inside, it's like a microphone mount kind of thing for everybody use it for live stream. I bought it for like $10-12 on Shopee, and it came with a ton of accessories. Because I bought a USB microphone, as you can see, this is my Razer Siren Mini. I know it's paying because yes, blah blah blah. I bought it $15 on Carousel. What a deal! And I don't want to put on a table. I want to put it like off the table. And you know, when I want to do some kind like voiceovers for one of my upcoming YouTube videos, it will be good that I would want to have like a microphone that is close to me. I don't need to have something that I need to prop it up or something like that. So, well, as you can see, here is the microphone arm stand. So let's unbox it. Well, that's awesome. Yes, boy. First up, we have our pop filter. And this is our sponge, kind of like a foam for our mic, which I can demonstrate for you guys. And done. Cable ties. This I won't be using. Here is this clamp for our microphone to hold on. Here is our mic arm. Whoa, damn. Which, yeah. This one is like a absorber thing. I don't know how I'm gonna attach it, but let's see how it goes. Let's say for the unboxing, and I'm going to give you the time lapse on the how I'm going to go and work all this and set that up, and I show you the demo for my microphone. Alright guys, before I start this boom arm installation for my Razer Siren Mini, I forgot to add on that this boom arm kit, that it came with a 3/8 to 5/8 screw, which this Razer Siren Mini, which is a 5/8 screw, and I was able to screw it in because it is compatible, where this metal bracket which holds the screw our microphone, which is our 3.8, fixed normally. So well, back to the time lapse. Alright guys, here's some quick updates on the mic boom arm installation. Initially, I planning to put the external pop filter, which is the dangling thing, but I didn't utilize it because my foam microphone cover, which does as a job as a pop filter. So in the end, I do not need the external pop filter, which I ended up using the foam mic covers instead. In terms of the difficulty, it is painless, where it is easy to install with the clamp and tighten up the screws to hold the mic boom arm, where you can extend and retract your microphone linkage. So far, no issues. To all the viewers out there who are planning to purchase this mic boom arm, as you see in this video, I will link the Shopee link is in the video description, so you guys can easily find them. Alright guys, here is the final product of my mic boom arm which I got on Shopee. As you can see here, I fixed it onto the shelf right here. Initially, I'll put on the table, which is unsuccessful because on my table one side has that curvature. I wasn't able to fit all the way in successfully, so in the end I put it on the shelf, and also I removed the spring, and as you can see here, I was able to put my mic in this position, as you can see here. So the reason why I put this position is that I can able to, when I live streaming, playing games, or I don't know, talk to people, friends, or voice over while video editing, I can just use this without like propping up using something like books or those carrying case for my Sony headphones. As for the accessories itself, the pop filter, the mic clip, and the shock absorber, I have no use for it. I already put a listing on Carousel already. If you guys are interested, link is in the video description if y'all want to purchase it. And for the shock absorber, no point because my USB mic, it doesn't really need the shock absorbers unless if you're rocking the AT2020 or those one of the blue model, which is, I forgot what's the model already, so I will put a photo while editing this video. So that's it for this video. And also this punch mic filter thingy also too, I really forgot about it. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, remember to like, share and subscribe. Do check out my gaming channel, which I post about trains and game stuff on the top right hand corner. I do some streaming also too. And that's it for this video, and I catch you guys next time. Bye bye.